Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a logo, and that is a 3D logo mockup file. And to begin with, I will take you through to this website called logomaker.com. This is a website which we are going to use to create or design our logo. So I'm going to click on this website, then it will take me here, and from here you need to click on blank canvas. Now you wait for a moment for it to load. Here we have AI logo maker and blank canvas. So for this case I'm going to work with blank. Now as you can see, we have over 3 million graphics, and this is a search bar where you can search for any symbol that you need to work with. And for my case, I'm going to search earth. Then you see we have a lot of graphic, we have a lot of symbols here. You can pick any that you need to work with. For my case, I think I'm comfortable with this one. Then from here you can fill this simple, fill like that. You can pick for a nice fill color. So this color is okay with me. I can drag to the size if you want, like this. Then we have a tool which is text tool here. Simply have to double click on it. Then here you'll have to edit to type any text that you want. You'll type earth. Then I'll have to drag to resize it a bit. Drag it down here. I will also change the font family of my text like that. I will drag to resize again and drag it to somewhere here. Can fill it with a nice color. So I'm working with this color, I'm comfortable. Move a bit where it fits so well. So from here you simply have to go to save icon, save logo icon here. Click on it, then it will take you here. Now we have download options. If you click on download option, it will require you to pay for it, for you to have a quality download of your logo. But I have another way you can do this. You can escape paying and still have your logo. You have to drag it straight to your desktop like that. Now after finishing creating your logo, you have to come to this website called Photopea.com. You can still download it if you want to work with an app, but for this case I'm working on it while on a browser, so I will wait for a moment for it to load. Then this is the interface of our Photopea. We have to click here to pick a template. That is a mockup template. You have so many templates here. You can scroll down to check on them. You can pick any favorite that you need to work with. Like for instance, we have black wall 3D logo mockup, and also we have a lot more, but this is my favorite. I'll double click on it. Then you wait for it to load. After it has loaded, you will come here where we are told place your logo here. So you need to double click here so that you may be able now to place a logo. Just double click, then we go to file tab, It's just right away here, open and place. Just click there. It will take us to the location where we put our logo. I put it here on a desktop. It's here. Then open. I'll have to resize my logo so as to fit very well. That is okay. Then you make sure you check this eye icon to hide the background. Okay. Now from there, what you need to do is to move straight to File tab again. Then you have this option, Save Smart Object. You can have a shortcut where you press Ctrl+S. You wait for a moment. It will notify you once it is done. You ready? It's already done. So from here, I will come and click on this. I will click on this one. Then okay. As you can see, we have generated a 3D logo mockup file. So if you like this video and you find this valuable, please consider subscribing to this channel.